Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this very simple knit stitch in one color. For a few months I crocheted this pattern in two colors, and link for this video can you find in descriptions. But today I will crochet this pattern. This pattern you can use for scarf or blanket, and in next video I will with this pattern crochet this very simple cap. It's very important for this pattern use a thicker crochet hook. For this yarn is Amphil crochet hook 5mm, but I use 8mm. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. I start with the knot stitch and crochet chain stitches. You can crochet so many chain stitches, how many do you want. For this video I crochet only 10 or 15. First row I crochet not in these loops but in these back loops. This one, this one, this one. And skip first stitch, yarn over through this loop, pull yarn through this first loop, and now crochet hook to the back and through these two loops. And next one, yarn over through this loop, pull yarn, crochet hook to the front and crochet hook to the back. The work simple. Again, yarn over through this loop, pull yarn to the front, to the back. And next one, to the front, to the back. We crochet something like double slip stitches. To the front, to the back. Crochet to the end of row, and the last stitch to the front, to the back. Now second row, chain 1, but we make this chain stitch a little bit smaller. It's very simple. Pull this back yarn and the chain stitch is smaller. Now turn to the left and we crochet in these very first loops. This, and this. Yarn over through this loop, pull yarn, crochet hook to the front and to the back. And next one, yarn over, pull yarn to the front, to the back. To the front, to the back. Crochet to the end of row. And the last stitch we crochet to these two loops. Yarn over through the loops, pull yarn to the front, to the back. It was first row. Second row, chain 1, pull this yarn and again turn, and we crochet in these very front loops, yarn over to the front, to the back, and next one. To the front, to the back. Crochet to the end of row. And the last stitch through 2 loops to the front, to the back. Again, chain 1, pull this yarn, turn, and you can repeat so many rows, how many do you want. You can crochet so many stitches, how many do you want. And this is our knit stitch. And a few rows later looks my work like this. It's elastic, and this is our knit stitch. The last row you can crochet very simple to the end, sew yarn end, and finish work. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.